Hey guys, Caleb with Caleb's Catfish here. Alright, we're back at the Wattsbar Dam. We're actually doing some night fishing. We're going to start by putting a shiner on bottom and see what happens. And then I've got another rig I'm going to put a float on. But we're just going to back hook that shiner there. Let him do his thing. Perfect cast. Tighten my line up a little bit here. Just set that like that. And this rod, we're going to rig differently. The bugs. Sprayed bug spray and they're still coming after me. Don't generally get the night fish, so this is a nice surprise. See if it pays off. This one's just gonna go on a float. It's gonna be a little minnow. And we'll go from there. I think first things first, though, we need to get our net out, or we could have some major issues. That is a live bait. It's cooling off. The fish are becoming active. So let's just see what happens here. Alright, so we've got our net building ready. We got a bug in my nose. A little bit more tension, just a little bit. There we go. Let's put it the other way. There we go. Good bobber. Okay, so we got that. And we just need a hook and we're good to go. Which, I think I put the hooks in here with the crankbaits, fingers crossed. Yes, I did. Okay, this is the hook we're using, just one of these. Wait a minute, where's my scissors? There they are. I was gonna say, I know I put them back in here earlier. Put this in my hooky so I can actually see what I'm doing here. That's everything I need. So I got the bait. There's a little there's a major fray in that part of the line. Darn it, fish. Oh, that barb just caught me. Perfect. I realized what I was doing wrong the other day when I was putting these on. I don't remember if this is 6 or 8 pound test. But we've caught some giants on 4 pounds, so upping the test should be fine. Alright. We're going to start about here deep. It's about 3 feet, I believe. Other than the fact these bobbers don't like holding to this line. That's for it to slip. Maybe it's the other hole. Might be. No, that's the slip hole. The line's just not thick enough. Get away from me, bugs. It would be awesome to catch a sauger or a walleye on bottom. That should stay. We've got that potential. Oh, that's a really small Aberdeen hook. Somebody was bluegill fishing over here. That bug just hit me square in the face. Now our minnow got nipped, but I don't think the fish were looking for a bait like that, because it kind of just nipped the minnow. It killed it, but it nipped it to where, to figure out if that was what it wanted. I think it wanted a bigger bait, so let's see if the shiner gets it done. It's moving pretty good. Moving really good, actually. I still got that one shiner on the bottom. The drag is loose, so we should hear it start ripping if something picks it up. I've seen some really good sized fish swimming around tonight, so we might need this shiner to convince them to bite. Oh my gosh, that's a bite, it's a bite, it's a bite, it's a bite. Got him! Oh, got him. Come here, buddy. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's a good fish, whatever it is. Come here. Come on. I can't see what you are. What are you? Oh, no. Are you? Oh, it's a catfish. It's a really good catfish. Really nice catfish, actually. Really, really nice one. Come here, come on. Oh, come here. Nope. He's trying so hard. Come on. Yeah, he's a monster. Oh, get over here. Oh, he's still fighting. Goodness. Man, he's a good size one too. It's a good size channel. Oh, landing this thing on my own's a pain. Get over here, buddy. Sure. He's whooping me.
A little pull. That's a good one.
Oh, thank you. We've probably been fighting him.
He's about to.
Well, you don't fish on the finish. Hey, buddy. Be nice. Man, he's still got fight to him. Trying to help you, buddy. Calm yourself. You want that hook out of your mouth? Let me help you. There we go. He was actually hooked pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna let you go so I can get my line out of you. Don't rehook yourself. Alright. We'll measure him real quick. I need to clean him off, I really do. Alright. Goodness, he's a big channel. Guys, check that out. He's a little over, he's 24.5 inches. Really, really nice channel cat. See what it levels out on. .84. Goodness. It's a beast of a fish. There he goes. There he goes. Wow. GoPro probably doesn't do him justice. That's a big channel. Come on, take it. I got him. Got him. Okay.
You got one.
Got something. Oh wow. Decent crappie.
Please come inside and fight this. Come on, man. That's all I got, though.
Look at that. We caught us a crappie on a shiner. I don't think he's a keeper though.
Yeah. You want him. I never knew those are. Rob, I was on the top. These.
Goodness, that hook is in there good.
You think she can be crowned?
There he is, buddy. Guys, look at that. Nice black crappie. Little shy of being a keeper. He's 9 3/4, but we'll get him back in the water. Thanks for playing, buddy. And there he goes. Well, guys, I think we're about done. I'll let you know if we get our bite, but I can't thank Thompson Outdoors enough for letting me go get bait. All the bait stores around here close at like 6. They give you the option to come down as long as it's not as late as 10 o'clock. You can call them and they'll come out and meet you. Phenomenal people, great business. So I just have to give them that shout out, because without their assistance, I would not have been able to find that catfish tonight. The shiners are what got it done. Well, guys, what an amazing night of fishing. Got out here with some shiners and minnows. Fish started like they wanted minnows, but they were just barely nipping them. So I was like, okay, let's throw a bigger bait. Threw one of those shiners, and literally, probably about a minute later, got slammed by that catfish. New PB, that big old catfish. A lot of fun to catch on finesse gear, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's kind of funny to see that small of a crappie eat that shiner. So I hope y'all are enjoying the content. If that subscribe button's red, make sure it's gray so don't miss any of the upcoming content. This is Caleb with Caleb's Catfish reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.